Hi everyone, welcome to FIXBOND. The AR3 engine wall of the waist all cracked. We replaced it with a new one. Today I will record a video for everyone on how to replace it yourself. The first step is to heat the silicone sealant and remove it. The first step is to pry off the silicone sealant. The bottom shell is held by threaded screws, so unscrew them and take off the bottom shell. Press it down, a little mistake. Try again, good. Press down with some force. The first time is hard to remove because of a small clip. Done. It has 4 screws, and there are 2 more at the back. Remove this bottom shell, gently without using force to avoid breaking the ribbon cable. Remove the 2 screws fixing the ribbon cable. Then remove the 6 screws on the motherboard. The antenna glue must be heated. It cannot be removed without heating. We remove this glue carefully. The glue must be heated. Otherwise it will damage the ribbon cable and cause trouble. After removing all the ribbon cables and the antenna, flip over the motherboard and take it off. Then remove the motor. All these glues must be heated. Otherwise, it is very troublesome. Heating is necessary for removal. Remove the canister. Usually, the upper shell must be removed to pass the motor through. We can also choose not to remove the upper shell, but it will be troublesome when assembling. Although assembly is troublesome, it actually saves a lot of labor time. Here's a small tip. Heat the motor and shrink the tube properly. Fix the angle and pass it through like this. It will fit well after passing it through. Use small tweezers to hold it. This will save a lot of trouble. Otherwise, removing the upper shell requires removing many screws. This shaft is very difficult to install. You must use small pliers to hold it steady before installing. Take it slowly. It's very hard to install. If it pops out, use a small screwdriver to press it and hold it with pliers again. That's fine. Small parts must be installed in place. Installing requires some effort. One hand squeezes and pushes in. The other presses down while twisting. This is very difficult to install, but once you do it, you get it. These 3 wires must be installed according to color. If installed incorrectly, it will reverse. Reinstall the motherboard exactly as it was removed. Pay attention to small details. These parts are somewhat delicate. Don't misalign the ribbon cable base or damage the ribbon cable holder. Then it's good. First, snap the small rear cover in place. Then snap the front cover in place. Screw it in. After manual replacement, our first step is to test by unlocking the motor and checking if the propeller reverses. This must be noted. Good, everything is normal now. It's ready to take off. Here comes a response again.